Greetings from Korshamn, Naturstrand and Jättegrytor. So in this area over here there are several giant cauldrons, or in Swedish Jättegrytor, that are actually glacial potholes that date from the Ice Age. Now I was looking around and I couldn't find them myself, but there are at least two of them over here. I would try to look for them on the way back to the civilization, as I'm now here in the middle of the forest, and I almost fell on the slippery rocks. So yeah, I will try to spot them later, because I'm also a bit in a rush, as I have only 55 minutes until the bus, the one and only bus that goes from Malmö, which is 3.5 kilometers in that direction, so I will need to run as well. But I really wanted to make one last swim, as I was walking from the Korshamn Naturstrand around 1 kilometer, and now I'm on all the way to the end of Korshamn, and it looks so amazing over here. There are beautiful rocks to enjoy on a summer day like this. 26th of July it is today, 4:15 p.m. it is, and I have been exploring here Korshamn Nature Reserve today. I arrived with my bus. It was around 10 o'clock that I arrived at Malmö, and I was walking around 3.5 kilometers. Got a bit lost, but on the way back hopefully I won't get lost, as otherwise I will need to sleep here with the mosquitoes and the creatures in the forest, and maybe I will fall into the glacial pothole. That's very deep, I assume. But yeah, it says on the map Korshamn Jättegrytor. There is a board, but I was looking around for about 20 minutes and I couldn't find them. Not sure if they are dry now. What happens if I fall into them? I have so many questions. In English, giant cauldron or glacial pothole. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep myself to the beach adventures for now, as I don't know much about glacial potholes. I know about beach adventures, so I can be a doctor, a PhD in beach adventures. I have definitely by now. Even though I am a Master of Science in Software Engineering, I can also be a Master of Science in beach adventures, if there is such course anywhere. I think I have already earned it by the number of videos I have uploaded from vacations. But now it is a bit warmer than earlier today, 24 degrees Celsius in the air and 21 in the sea. And if you want to be out of civilization and enjoy historical glacial area over here in Värmdö, then this is the place for you. Now I'm trying to get into the water, but it's slippery, so let's see if I will be able to fall down somehow. Okay. Alright, the water is so clean and nice. Ready, set, and go! Woo. Amazing. Amazing. I'm just wondering why there are no algae over here. And there was algae 2 days ago when I was in Värmdö, but it was a different location. Here also the sea is a bit colder, so I guess that's the reason why. With the algae it gets warmer indeed. So if you're looking for secluded adventure in the middle of the forest and in the middle of the open sea, then this is the one for you. Oh, there's an island over there and I see a few houses. Now that's a big flex to have a house on an island. I'm just gonna be worried about the mosquitoes, maybe actually. But yeah, Korshamn. Now I have only 50 minutes left until the bus, so I definitely need to run. But that's cool. I'm no stranger to running. Let's see if I can find the road, as the forest here is very strange. There are fallen trees everywhere, a bit of muddy, slushy area. I guess it dates from the glacial potholes. And if I'm lucky, I can maybe spot the potholes as well that I was desperately searching for 20 minutes here around. But Yeah, greetings from Korshamn, another sea adventure, the second beach vlog for today actually. And let's see where I'm gonna end up tonight, tomorrow. So I have now only 2 days left from my public transport journey. I can't believe 28 days have passed, and I was all of those days on the sea. And even before with my bicycle, I was on the sea. I need to calculate how many sea days I have in a row. Also, I have been swimming now for almost 10 days, every day, 3 times 20 minutes in the open sea. I also did that today as well. Cool, that's a wrap from Korshamn, Jättegrytor, Korshamn Naturreservat. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. Wow, I have found the giant cauldrons, Jättegrytor. They look so amazing. These are glacial potholes from the Ice Age. Just look at them. They're so interesting and so deep also. Now, if the water was looking a bit better, I would have definitely found them. Oh, här finns de! Här finns de, ja. Ja. Tack så mycket. So I was looking for 20 minutes before to find them, and then I asked one person on the beach, and then he showed me to this direction. I just can't believe I have missed them. I was just walking past by them, and yes, these are very deep. I can see from the glacial age, from the Ice Age, and they look so stunning. Now this one over here I think is the largest one, but it has some trees above or so. This one is a medium one, and there is a smaller one on that end. So yeah, I just can't believe I have found them. So yeah, greetings from Korshamn Jättegrytor at Korshamn Naturreservat, with this giant cauldrons after my beach adventure. So yeah, cheers. Now I need to run to the bus.